cultural notes. As you probably have already noticed, the Bravo family is comprised of special individuals, all interconnected. They are warm and fun-loving people. This deaf family has a lot of enjoyment through their cleverness and wit. And many people tend to be surprised when they find that out about deaf families. Now, today's cultural notes focuses on two perspectives of looking at deaf people. One is the handicap perspective. The other is a cultural perspective. The handicap perspective tends to view deaf people with pity. They can't hear. They can't talk. They can't laugh. They can't live a normal, full life. This perspective tends to look on deaf people as having a problem to fix their hearing impairment. Now, the cultural perspective is much different. They see the deaf culture as people, a set of people that are equal and on par to all the cultures of the world. They have full lives. They can laugh. They have their sorrows. They have their good times and their bad times. Deaf people are the same as all the people in the world. Oftentimes, people think that deaf people have a communication barrier. Is that true? Well, imagine there is a room full of deaf people interacting and socializing, facial expressions going. The room is quite noisy. Is that a communication barrier? No. And now, suppose that you take that same room full of deaf people and a hearing person who knows no sign language enters that room. Now who has the communication barrier? Who has the handicap? Who needs an interpreter? The hearing person. That person is not hearing impaired, no, but perhaps they are sign language impaired. The cultural notes for today, I would really like to emphasize that all people and all cultures should be respected. Deaf people have a really wonderful, unique language, and they have a wonderful community of sharing people that interact and enjoy themselves with loving support. It is our hope that as you learn this beautiful language, you also develop an appreciation for the people that use it. With American Sign Language and the deaf community right here, you don't need to spend a lot of money to buy a plane ticket to fly halfway around the world just to learn about another culture. No, the deaf culture is here, and you can learn it here. Now, as you learn more and more about ASL and the deaf culture, there'll be some wonderful and exciting discoveries. So come on, I encourage you, take that plunge into the deaf world. I sincerely welcome